inspired by Stoicism's acceptance of nature and events as they are. Explain how to view rejection not as a loss, but as guidance toward a more aligned path. Teach the importance of self-approval over relying on others. Explain how rejection encourages deeper self-inquiry and intention. Discuss Stoic principles of non-attachment to outcomes, applying this to rejection. Outline how resilience develops through facing denial. Emphasize the Stoic practice of preparing for adversity. Show how rejection builds understanding and empathy. Describe the value of self-examination in moving past rejection. Apply Aurelius's advice on mastering one's responses rather than circumstances. Share how rejection can remind one of the pursuit of growth over flawless outcomes. Turn setbacks into opportunities for self-made success. Close with advice on remaining steady, showing others how to handle challenges gracefully. Recognize those who stand by you in challenging times, as adversity often reveals genuine allies. Instead of internalizing negative feedback, use it as fuel to motivate continued progress. Practice responding calmly to rejection, focusing on emotional stability and independence from external judgments. Use patience as a tool, trusting that resilience in the face of setbacks will bear fruit over time. Use moments of rejection to examine personal strengths and areas for improvement, fostering self-awareness. Confidence in setting boundaries allows you to say no without fearing others' reactions. Express gratitude for the lessons learned through rejection, seeing it as an opportunity for growth. Remind yourself that setbacks are fleeting and don't define your future path. Understand that rejection of an idea or project is not a rejection of you as a person. Instead of judging yourself harshly, adopt curiosity to understand what can be learned from the experience. Rejection can uncover limiting beliefs. Challenge these and push past self-imposed barriers. Maintain a positive, reinforcing internal dialogue that supports resilience in the face of rejection. Each rejection is a form of training, preparing you for potentially larger hurdles ahead. Implement daily habits that foster personal growth, helping you view rejection as a natural part of self-development. Cultivate adaptability, learning to pivot or adjust goals when faced with rejection. Remind yourself that rejection and failure are integral to success, as illustrated by historical figures. Learn to receive constructive criticism without defensiveness, using it as a tool for improvement. Embrace a big-picture mindset, viewing rejection as a small part of a much larger journey. Practice Stoic-inspired meditation to foster calm and clear-headedness when dealing with rejection. Celebrate the fact that rejection means you're actively pursuing your goals, stepping outside of your comfort zone. Define success by your own standards rather than external approval, aligning with your values. Refocus any overthinking or worry on productive actions, sidestepping self-doubt. Practice forgiving yourself for any perceived shortcomings, recognizing effort and commitment. Treat every rejection as a moment to reinforce mental toughness and resilience. Recognize that rejection is often a stepping stone to mastery, reinforcing skills and endurance. Develop self-compassion routines, understanding that personal growth is a journey filled with learning experiences. Create a personal set of beliefs or a motto to guide you through challenges, fostering inner strength. Appreciate your own dedication and commitment, even when the outcome is not ideal. Cultivate flexibility, accepting that life's outcomes often differ from initial expectations. Use personal experiences with rejection as a means to share and teach resilience to others, strengthening both your character and theirs.